Hello and welcome everyone to this channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So this time I have come up with some easy and unique clay molding crafts. I've used terracotta clay. Hope you guys like and enjoy the video.
Clay molding is an art. It requires precision, especially when you are not doing it on a pottery wheel. You have to make sure it looks exactly same from all the angle. It starts with softening clay, giving basic shape, removing extra clay, and finally finishing. The kind of pot I am carving here is called bird vase. It is hollow inside but has a very narrow opening. So after giving basic shape and removing extra clay, I'm smoothing it with water to get a clean finish. I have used my hand for it. You can also use brush. Till the time it is drying in sunlight, I'm up with my second craft, which is a golden stem. First giving the base a cubical structure. For the stem, I have collected some twigs from my garden to stick together to make a stem. I have used Fevikwik to stick. You can also use glue gun. Inserting the branch in the base and letting it dry. Once it dries, you can start with painting. I usually paint with a white base first so that when you color, it should come out beautifully. Painting the branch with sparkling golden color. Very minimal drawing on the vase. I am painting it with beige color. These are Fevicryl colors. It has come out really nice and pretty. Third one is a bird. I'm trying to give anti-gravity look to it. Similar process of giving shape and removing extra clay. So first giving shape to the body. Also shaping the beak. Now smoothing it with water. Now for the tail, I'm giving shape and smoothing it. Inserting it with the help of a stick. Added some extra clay around it for strength. And then smoothing it with the overall structure. Smoothing is a process of sprinkling some water on surface and gently dragging your fingers all around to get a clean look. For base I have used a coaster on which I am filling with wet clay all over it. Then inserted a hard wire into it. Some final finishing on the bird. Now inserting the bird into the wire, hold it with one hand at a place, and to dry it use a blower so that it stays on its place. So once it stands by itself, I have painted it with white cement here just to add some more strength to it. Then I have spray painted it with metallic silver color. This will give a very clean look. So happy and content with the end result. See you again.